Hey you guys, happy Saturday. So Andrew has borrowed my tripod and therefore I don't have a tutorial for you today, but I thought you might like to see what I've been working on lately. So here comes a quick tour of the knitting studio. Here we are in my living room. I'm thinking of selling them in the summer at Maple Woodstock, and I'm also working on some headbands, as you can see. So since it's Saturday, here's Law & Order SVU. Oh, Christopher Maloney, you are so cute. Oh, and look at Mariska Hargitay, she looks so young. And so I've also been crocheting these flowers and making like a garland. Here's where the magic happens in my chair Pearl. You can see that I have the symmetry pillow in progress. This week we're going to learn how to knit from a chart using the green and the gray both in the same row. And I'm also cleaning out a bucket of yarn. It's a wonderful problem to have. So this is a yak blend yarn, and I made this gorgeous fingerless mitt, and I only made one. So I think I'm going to actually rip this and make something new. And oh gosh, I have this gorgeous Lorna's laces in this deep sort of ruby complex color. I don't know what I'm going to make with that. This is a good bucket. I've got all this cashmere. Poor me, right? This is recycled cashmere from a sweater that I unraveled. I bought at a thrift shop for like $3 or $4. So yeah, fun things to play with here. And then at my work table, we've got the Electric Faerie Shawl in progress. We have a pumpkin leaf that I'm going to do a tutorial. That will be coming up in the fall. And we have my sock kit. I have new yarn. Set this neon yarn aside. I have new yarn for my sock kits. This gorgeous coral and like an almond color. So I'm working on updating that pattern. This is my first wall hanging. So I did it in a modular way. I started in the upper right hand corner and then did a separate piece with the black and white, and then added black, pink, and white, black, pink, and black, and then picked up and added another piece and added the fringe. And this is where all the magic happens when I'm not sitting in Pearl. I sit on my couch here and watch Law & Order and do some knitting. So I'm going to dive into a wall hanging number 2 and also work on some new bags this weekend. Comment below and let me know what's on your needles this weekend, and I will talk to you soon. Bye-bye.